Adding departments. In order to properly structure your absence data and to manage access rights, you will probably want to add some departments to your organisation. To do this, you need to have administrator access. Go to the Administration section and choose Organisation. If you haven't yet set up any departments, the organisation tree will be empty. The simplest way to add a single department is to use the Add Main Department arrow button. The dialog box asks you to choose a name for your department. This must be a unique name. You can't choose the same name twice. If you want to add a sub-department to one of your main departments, click on the name of the main department first. On the right, a menu appears. Towards the middle of the page, you can see the Add Sub-Department button. Simply click on this arrow to add items under the selected department in your tree. If you need to rearrange the organisation structure or upload several departments in one go, you can use our Data Upload tool. Check the video tutorial on data uploads for more details on this. There is also a separate tutorial on organisational structure.